how to disable Secure Boot on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily disable Secure Boot on your Windows 11 computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So in order to disable Secure Boot, the first thing we need to do is put our computer in recovery mode. And we can quickly do that by going down, selecting the Windows Start button, and then in the menu that appears, find the power icon, select the power icon, and before we select anything else, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Now continue to hold the Shift key on your keyboard until the screen turns blue. It may take it about 20-30 seconds for it to get into recovery mode. Just continue to hold the Shift key the entire time. All right, once you see the screen turn blue like this, you can let go of the Shift key and we are in recovery mode. So now we can get into the BIOS, which is where we can turn off Secure Boot. So from here, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and then go to UEFI Firmware Settings. Once you've selected that, select Restart, and then it will reboot us into the BIOS for our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So depending on your computer, your BIOS will look different. On my Lenovo Legion 5, it's going to look like this, but yours will most likely look different. So once you get into the BIOS, for mine, I need to select More Settings, and this will bring me into the menu within my BIOS, but you might have a menu system on the top or on the left side. And what we want to look for is an area labeled Security or Boot, something like that. So for mine, it's under Security. Now, as you can see at the bottom here, we have Secure Boot. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit. And all I need to do is go to Secure Boot and select the drop down and select Disable. Now yours, you may have to use the keyboard, the arrows on your keyboard to navigate through, but we just want to find Secure Boot, which will be either under Security or Boot, something like that. Find Secure Boot, select Disable, and then before we can do anything else, we need to make sure we save or save and exit. So on mine, it says F10 to save and exit. So I'm going to select F10. It's going to confirm, do I want to save these settings? I'm going to select yes. And now it will close the BIOS, reboot and save those settings. And then once I reboot, I can get back in my computer and Secure Boot will be disabled. And I'll show you how to confirm that it's disabled. All right, so now I've logged back into my computer. We can confirm that Secure Boot is disabled on our computer by selecting the Windows Start button and then just type System Information. So once it comes up, select it. And then you should see Secure Boot state, and it should say off right there. If it says off, you successfully saved those changes and you have now disabled Secure Boot on your Windows 11 computer. If it says on, go through those steps again and make sure that you save it correctly. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.